Hello and welcome to this video review of the LEGO City 60415 police car and muscle car chase. Oh yeah, something new for the city. And I have to say, it is pretty cool. The cars look pretty awesome, and I only paid, this was amazing, in B&M £5 for the set. £5. What a bargain. So let's have a look at the builds. So firstly we have the muscle car. Oh yes, check this out, with the minifigure that's been up to no good. I don't know what she's been doing, but if I look in the boot, what do I see? Money and jewels. It's gotta be a dastardly thief. But yeah, the car is cool. I like the sort of snake like sticker that you add, and the design is pretty awesome muscle car. I like the size as well because it fits in the Lego road. But even better than that, the police car. Oh wow, how amazing is the police car? It is pretty sweet. I really like the police car. I mean, it's a good set, they're both good, but when you see them in chase, the police car looks amazing. It really does. I really like the police car. Very impressed. Very impressed. So yeah, so you get the minifigures, the policeman with the helmet on, and also the dastardly girl, which you also get one of these tiles that you could put somewhere, show that she's wanted. Maybe I could put it on the supermarket somewhere like there. Or somewhere. But anyway, it's a really good set, and I couldn't believe I got it for £5. £5 for this set. Amazing. I mean, it's £3.50 for one minifigure, and I'm getting two minifigures and two cars for £1.50 more. I mean, I don't think it's normally that price, but hey, brilliant. They were quite fun to build, easy builds, and but they look ace, don't they? They are awesome. So really happy with this set. Definite good addition to the city, because I can add my police car and the muscle car to the road and give this part of the road a little bit more action. Maybe it could have been zooming round the corner over there and then getting caught up by the police car. Unfortunately, my road ends here. We need more road plates. But anyway, this is all about this set, the LEGO City police car and muscle car chase 60415. Really awesome. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you at another one. Bye for now.